guys, it is Vlogmas day 12. I did skip yesterday. I just had a lot going on. But in today's video, I am going to be giving you 5 different looks or 5 different ways that you can dress up or down your plaid and flannel shirts. You know, that red and black lumberjack print is like everywhere it's in and everybody's wearing it. And for us big girls, you know, sometimes it can be a little hard for us to come up with different looks or whatever in our size. But I'm going to be giving you a couple of different ways that you can wear your shirt and still be stylish. And, you know, so anyway, I have on a men's shirt, couldn't find one in my size. But anyway, we're going to make it work. So let's just go ahead and get into the video. For the first look, I decided to go more casual, and I paired it with a black tank top and some acid wash jeans or jeggings that I had. You can wear any type of jean, but this is cool if you just want to go out, hang out for a little while. I think that's pretty cute. And I also have on some white, I believe those are Converse sneakers that I have on. Now for this video, I didn't go out and buy any clothes. So all of this was stuff that I already had in my closet, which I'm sure you probably also have things that you don't even have to go out and spend a lot of money to create these looks. That's the best part. The second look, I decided to sexy it up a bit with some black leather leggings. Again, I've had them for years. I also paired them with a pair of little booties that I have also had in my closet for years. So, I mean, ladies, just go look in your closet. You probably already have a lot of these things already in there, and just one top can create several different looks. I think I'm going to actually wear this one. I have a couple of Christmas parties coming up. I think I might actually wear this outfit. The third one, again, I'm a casual girl for the most part. So here I just paired it with a pair of jeans, a pair of little casual boots that I had. And, you know, I went old school and I tied it around my waist like we used to do in school, like on the playground and stuff, just with a regular old t-shirt. Again, this is cool for just hanging out, or if you're just stepping out a little bit and want to throw on something. Like I said, in Arkansas where I live, the weather is so crazy. It can be 40 degrees in the morning time and 80 degrees by the afternoon. So this is perfect. So if and when I need a longer sleeve shirt, I have it and I can just throw it on. Also, don't forget to accessorize. So I grabbed a wide brim hat. You know, those are in style, and paired it with a pair of earrings, and out the door I go. So grab those accessories, ladies, and you can really change up the look. Okay, I was feeling myself a little bit too much. Okay, another look for a mom like myself on the go is to just pair it again with a pair of, I'm going to call those mom jeans. They look like mom jeans. Oh well, anyway. A pair of jeans and a pair of just slip-on casual shoes. This is for if you're running to Walmart or Target for a lot of you. The grocery store. Cute casual look, does not take long. Okay. Another little look. This is a little dress that I've had for several years. You can pair that shirt with a dress, a skirt. I don't tend to wear a lot of dresses just because I have a high booty. I'm sure you can tell. And a lot of my dresses always tend to be down in the front and up in the back. But, you know, that's another option. Then you can also sexy it up and be super sexy. And you can wear the shirt as a dress itself, you know. Obviously, you can wear the shirt with a pair of
more higher boots, maybe some thigh-high boots. I didn't have any thigh-highs, but I did have these little black shorts that I threw on. So yeah, just whatever your comfort level is, you can just step out in the shirt if you want to. Do your thing. Again, don't forget to grab some accessories. So for this one, I grabbed a belt I had, a hat, and yeah, show them thighs, ladies. Don't be scared. Men like legs. Trust me. I know. But anyway, I hope you've enjoyed these looks. Comment down below and let me know if you have any additional ways, or how do you like to, wear your flannel shirts. But it does not take much to be in style. You don't have to go out and spend a whole lot of money, and you can still look cute. I hope you enjoyed this video. Peace.